Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture all the action. On the left, we have the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the Boogio Dash Cam front. So buckle up and get ready for an epic showdown. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, the price. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $29. Now that's what I call a steal. On the other hand, the Boogio Dash Cam front is priced at $89. It's a bit on the higher side, but hey, sometimes you gotta pay for that extra quality. Now let's talk about the most important feature of a dash cam, the video quality. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit offers a crisp and clear video recording with its upgraded second-generation technology. It's like having your own personal movie director in your car. But hold on tight, because the Boogio Dash Cam front is here to give you an even more immersive experience. With its 1080p Full HD lens and a 3-inch super large IPS display, you won't miss a single detail. It's like having a front row seat to all the action. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit ensures that even in the darkest of nights, you'll still have crystal clear recordings. No more blurry footage that looks like it was taken in the Bermuda Triangle. But wait, the Boogio Dash Cam front takes night vision to a whole new level. With its f1.8 large aperture and WDR technology, it captures bright and sharp images even in low-light environments. You'll be able to see things that go bump in the night. Next up, let's talk about the wide-angle capability of these dash cams. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit boasts a wide field of view, reducing blind spots and capturing more details. It's like having eyes on the back of your head. But hold on to your seats, because the Boogio Dash Cam front takes wide angle to a whole new level. With its 170-degree field of view and upgraded sensor, it captures the real scene in all its glory. You'll feel like you're in the middle of an action-packed blockbuster. Last but not least, let's talk about the additional features that these dash cams bring to the table. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit comes with a 24-hour surveillance mode, ensuring that your car is always protected. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your vehicle. On the other hand, the Boogio Dash Cam front is equipped with a G sensor that saves video evidence of collisions, loop recording, motion detection, and even parking monitoring. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of dash cams. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire kit and the Boogio Dash Cam front battled it out, and it's clear that both have their own strengths. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a feature-packed powerhouse, these dash cams have got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.